Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain when Irish people became white in America. We'll explore the historical context and societal shifts that led to this transformation. When large numbers of Irish immigrants arrived, particularly during the mid-1800s, they encountered intense hostility. Many Americans viewed them as a separate, inferior group, not fully white. This prejudice was deeply rooted in their Catholic faith and economic status, setting them apart from the predominantly Protestant, established population. Initially, Irish immigrants were relegated to the lowest rungs of society, often taking dangerous, low-paying jobs that others avoided. They were frequently compared to African Americans and considered racially inferior by many Anglo-Saxon Americans. This racialization was evident in media portrayals and widespread discrimination, including explicit signs refusing them employment. However, their sheer numbers and growing involvement in urban politics began to slowly challenge these perceptions. As Irish communities grew, they leveraged their increasing numbers to gain political power, particularly in East Coast cities. They secured civil service jobs, like police officers and firefighters, which provided stability and a pathway to social mobility. This integration often involved actively asserting their whiteness, sometimes at the expense of other minority groups, particularly African Americans, to solidify their place within the existing racial hierarchy. By the early 20th century, Irish Americans were largely accepted as white, a transformation that brought substantial social and economic benefits. This journey from marginalized outsiders to integrated members of white American society highlights the fluid and constructed nature of racial identity. Their success story, marked by resilience and strategic assimilation, paved the way for future generations. Be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.